Hey guys and gals, Froggy here. Got a check engine light on my '02 Suburban P0442. Well, let's look that up and see what that is, and then we'll clear it and see if it comes back. So give me a second, I'm gonna look it up. Alright, so the little book that came with my tool, it's my tool. It's a very, very simple OBD2 code reader. It says evaporative emission control system leak detected, small leak. You know what that is sometimes? It's your gas tank your gas tank filler cap. It's the cap. So I'm just going to open and close that cap. I might look at the seal and I might put some silicone grease on it. We'll see, and see if it goes away. So I cleared it and I just started the car, and it's gone. Now I'm going to go do that service, and this is a service anybody can do. This anybody, even anybody. Just clean around the cap. There's usually a rubber or a plastic seal. Make sure it's not cracked or frayed or anything like that, and give it a shot. You can do this yourself. You don't need to go to a dealer. You don't need to pay anybody. Okay? Just watch my channel. I'll help you out. Froggy out. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. See you later, guys and gals. Froggy out. Bye. Well, of course I should show you what I find, so I don't know what I was thinking. Here's the filler. Sometimes you just didn't tighten it up enough, but I always give mine a few extra clicks so it tightens up. Ah, ho ho ho! Look at what I found. See the crack right there where my thumb is, right where my thumbnail is pointing at it? Is Froggy a smart guy, or is he a smart guy? So I didn't stage this or anything. I'm still going to clean around here, and I got to find me a big O-ring, or else I'll have to buy a new cap, one of those two. But there it is. So I imagine that will come back if I don't fix it. So I'll show you what I end up with if I can find a big fat O-ring or whatever. Okay? Froggy out. Bye-bye. I might not do it. I might not add it to this video. I might just put it in the comments. So always read the comments on my videos. There's a lot of good stuff there. Okay? Bye-bye. Alright, well, let's finish off this video about the check engine light on my Suburban. So as you can see, my gas cap is still attached with this leash on it. So I'm going to bust off this O-ring that I already showed had a crack in it. I am 99% sure that's what's causing my check engine. So I'm going to take my finger or my knife and bust that off, and then I'll take it inside. I will compare it to the ones that I bought, and if it looks like a good fit, then I'm just going to lube up the new rubber O-ring with some silicone so it'll slide on there, and I'll stick it on here. So let's break this off. I'm going to need two hands. Okay, this is the old one that I just broke off of the cap, and the new one is underneath. So I want to show you. It's not exact, but I think it's going to be close enough to work. That is the closest sized O-ring that I could get from a McMaster car. And the original one is actually kind of a funny construction. See, like that. But I don't think that matters either. This one is a solid O-ring. This one is some kind of GM unusual O-ring. So I'm going to lube it up. I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to run the car, and if it works, I will put it down in the comments. Now, I bought a bunch of these. I bought about a dozen of them. So if you have this problem And if you guys and gals want one of these, go to my channel, go to About Froggy. There's an email address. Send me an email, and I'll show you how to, send me a stamped self-addressed envelope, and we'll stick a few bucks in there for me, and then I will send you one of these. Okay? So that's just something I'm going to do for people so that they don't have to go to the trouble of ordering. You can't buy these one at a time unless you go to an auto parts store. Maybe you can buy one for like $6, $7, $8. I don't know. If you go to a dealer, they're going to probably want $20 for it. Or actually, they will want to sell you the whole cap. They won't sell you just the O-ring. They want to sell you the whole cap. So that's going to be, I don't know, $25 or whatever. So go to the About the channel and send me an email, and I'll hook you up. Okay? Let's lube this up and stick it on there. The silicone grease is just to make it go on easy. It's not really part of the sealing capability of the O-ring. The sealing is just because it's rubber and it gets squeezed. Okay, so you can see I put it on there. It looks like a pretty good fit to me. That's going to seal up against this part right here. Okay, and I'll start the car up, see if the check engine comes on, and I will keep it updated for a few days or a few weeks, and I'll tell you if it comes back. I will tell you that it come back and that this did not work. But if it works, then get a hold of me if you need one. Okay. All right, that's what you do. You twist it till it clicks a few times. Seems good to me. All right, that's what you do. You twist it till it clicks a few times. Seems good to me. Okay, start it up. No check engine. Remember, I will update this. I'll keep you up to date on it. Okay, so that's it. We're going to wrap this up, put this video up, and you guys and gals have a nice weekend. It's Friday afternoon. It's pretty nice here in Southern California, and I am done on this one. Froggy out. Be safe. Have fun. Bye-bye.